Welcome to Weekly Forex Forecast, live edition Sunday, 13th of June, 2021. Muyomo, you are very Hello every single one of you beautiful subscribers to this YouTube channel. I'm here for you to give you more analysis live right now on the market, what is going to happen next week, what to look out for, what are we going to do if something happens. Well, let's make our trade plans, let's make our stop losses get there. And yeah, so as you can see on my screen, I currently have just screen, maybe screen, full screen. I have 3,991 of you. I just want to make sure that I fully appreciate every single one of you. I fully appreciate that you show up on a Sunday evening, preparing for the new week, supporting me as much as I can support you, both emotionally, trading, plan-wise, and sometimes some of you financially. So I thought about giving away like $100 if I made like a win, but it's been so far so long. It's been very long in between the wins. So yeah, cool. Great, just want to make sure that we are here and we're good. And by that speech, we are still, so by the end of this live, I hope that we are at least one more student and one more person we can help out. Okay, so I just need to delete what I said to the mentorship students, no, to the YouTube students, people earlier today. How's your weekend, bro? I hope you're relaxed and ready for war. Yeah, maybe. I was late on the previous live today because, as some of you saw in the Discord channel, I was stuck as the last person not to get through the roadblock. Then there was a lady there. She was like, "Nope." Isn't that annoying? Isn't that annoying? Just the last person. Jace Click says, "Hello, winners. Habari yako? Habari sa hibira Mizurizana. Hello, Nokoko. Hello, Eivindfx. My name is Eivin. Please call me Eivin." Okay. Cool. Then, what should we start with? First of all, how are you? Second of all, which pair should we cover today? And what are you most interested in today? So what topic, where do you want me to take this live today? The reason why I ask you that is I have gone through some thorough investigation throughout my channel today, this weekend, and I've come to a conclusion that live on YouTube, I don't know if I'm going to continue doing that. I'm not saying I'm going to stop it. I'm not saying that it's totally useless. But I'm considering it, which days I should be live and which days I should not be live. Is there better days for that? Should I only be live when there is like FOMC meeting minutes and NFP and stuff like that? Or is there a better use of my time? Just thoughts going through my head, that's all. As you always doesn't surprise me, so cool. We can start off with US, the 10-year T-note, which is the 10-year yield, and this is where investors go to get risk-free investments, and we are currently in a downward slope. If we are going to increase interest rates, if we will have higher interest rates, the 10-year T-note will rise. So currently, not. Cool, that is great. If this one rises, dollar also rises. So if we go into this DXY shenanigan, what is happening here on the weekly? Let's go to 1 week. Let's go to bearish. Cool. We tried to sell off. We tried to sell off. Didn't work out. We tried to sell off. Didn't work out. We tried to sell off. Didn't work out. So we tried to sell a range. Well, we didn't know it was a range until it didn't make a lower low here. Cool. Whatever. Now, what is the plan? Is this a higher high? Nope. Nope, it's not. So, technical analysis tells me that this is a top. It can go higher, but it also hasn't broken out. But I do need to understand, and I do need to point out that we are potentially seeing a price moving back up again. I need to have that open. I can't be invisible for that. But as I told my mentorship my YouTube students earlier today, I do say that this could be the highs and lows of June. Just a theory, by the way. So, if this is the high, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, maybe, of the DXY. Hello, Ahmad. Abbas, most trade plans are done and gone by Thursday, so then you're just celebrating your trade plans more than anything else. Okay, so what is the value today? The value, oh, Gypsy just subscribed. Gypsy, we just have one more subscriber. Let's get it up, let's get it up. Yeah, boom, thank you very much. So, we have here the high and the low. So that is number one. Value, number one value. High, low, June. Okay, number one. Yeah, no, I just need to make more like legacy videos, like videos, not live streams. But it takes me 2 days and it drags the life out of me. I'm not gonna be negative. I'm sorry. But the previous video I did for you guys, which one is that one? So if you go to my channel and you go to my videos, the last video I made, this one with Baeheza, had 280 views. You guys did not like that one whatsoever, because it's just those views, and it took me 2 days. I think 2 or 3 days to do it, like full time. That's all I did. So, and I kind of had to spend the weekend recovering from that. So, you know, maybe we shall see. We shall see. We shall see what I can do. But yeah. So what else? And then you guys have way more liked. What do you call it? You guys have liked this one more, so I think we're going to have to do more of this. Like this is 2.9 thousand views. I know, it's way better. Cool. How to find your strategy. I even have that one. You guys have just played it 59 times. Okay, cool. Whatever. I guess I need to have better thumbnails on that one. Anyways, views is not everything, but it tells me a lot about how you respond to my videos. That's all. So, I don't want DXY to go higher. If it does, I'm not going to engage. There is number 2. There is FOMC this week on Wednesday. We are hoping that dollar will fall either from Thursday. Sorry, dollar DXY to fall Monday this week, 14th, Thursday 16th. I think it's Thursday, Wednesday. Wednesdays is actually Wednesday. Wednesday or Monday 21st. Hopefully. That is my trade plan. That's my thoughts. Okay. So how do I go about that? How do I go about that? I have to go through what is my beloved trade plans. How does my technical analysis, technical setups looks like? I want a double top, lower low, lower high, at around a critical level, which is around 90-40, 93.5. I can work out with that. The other thing they also need to see around that price is take profit. Take profit. So, does that work out currently with the current market? No. But we have M3, we have around 90-50, we have resistance, so it's a mediocre trade. Maybe it's forcing it, so we shall hope. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so that is kind of what I would do and think. And how does that look like in practice? We have to see the market evolve. So, who asked for, like, which, like, what should you expect, people? Am I only going to do DXY and Euro today? I thought you guys were more, active, What's happening, people? What's going on? That's not where I wanted to go. Euro. Okay. So, I can go to Euro Yen first. So, this is quote-unquote James. So, James. I don't like it lower low. Okay, I don't like it lower low. If we then do some statistical challenges to see, did it do that last year? Yes, it did. But when can you start buying? Once it makes a higher high, higher low, continuation higher. Do you have that at this moment? Start off at M2 at around 22nd. So it can go higher today. It can go higher next week. This is not a bullish setup. This is not a bullish setup. This is a bullish setup. Because you have a higher high, higher low. You have reversed at that point. Now you need a higher high, higher low to buy it again. There you go. You need a higher high, higher low, maybe. Higher high, higher low to start buying again. Okay? So, what you currently have on Euro Yen is a low. That's all it tells you. Is this a good buy? Maybe it's a good buy. It came down to target, and for the month of that's a week actually. For the month of yen, month of June, we are into the buy zone for the month. Okay, yeah, maybe. So I would say 1 to 10, I would give this a 5. It's somewhere in between. Okay. Ciao, Euro USD. Yeah. Sarah says pound yen. Can you please look at? Can we look at yen pairs? I'm currently looking at Euro yen, my brother. I've done Euro pound yen on the weekly forecast. I hope you saw that one. I need to link that, by the way, to you guys so you can see that too. Somebody subscribed. Do you guys like the new thumbnail today? Because I did a test in the group today, and people were like, yeah, maybe. So save that for later, that link though, but you can look at that afterwards. That is way more, interesting. Cool. So now where are we? Euro yen, we're done with that. So we need some kind of reversal. Whoops. We need some kind of reversal here. Some kind of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You might come back down again next Monday, have that in mind, and then don't lose conscious here, don't lose your conscious here. You risk maybe 0.01%, like very little. This is not a good trade. Cool. Aussie yen is, yeah, maybe M2 is okay to buy on the monthly, but it's not really a good trade setup. It's not really making higher highs. It's not really there. Okay, so it can kick off here. Yes, it can, but it can also fall. So I would rather come back in a week and see how this one goes. Yeah, even July makes it way better for July makes it way better. So yeah, maybe we got a good month this year in June. Maybe, who knows? But currently it's not like great. Cadian, I don't know. Comes down to the buy price now though. That's the first time you can start buying on the month. So either 90 or 89.60. Yeah, maybe. I don't feel it. So, what is the feeling on yens? Nope. Euro, you can maybe. It's 5 out of 10. Pound yen, I don't feel it. Well, actually, yeah. This is actually the only one I would look to buy, actually. So, pound yen gets a check off. And New Zealand yen gets a no-go zone. Alright, cool. Where are we now? SPV Brothers, welcome as a member. New Zealand yen. Okay, we can do New Zealand yen since you asked me. Cool, I will do that. So, first of all, brother, we want this to be a bullish trend. Do we have a bullish trend on the 1 hour, 4 hour? And the answer is no, we don't have that. Why don't we have that? Well, the moving averages says that we are below the moving averages, but not only below the moving averages. If we then have, you know, step ups here, it's supposed to be here, not breaking below that, and then that, I would call that a break below here. I would call that a break below here, and coming down to this support again is Do you already have a buy in here? You should have stopped out here. This is where your stop should have been, somewhere in here. So, what are we doing now? We need to wait for a double bottom, higher high, higher low on the 1 hour or something, and wait for it to go higher again. So, what would I rate that out of? I would probably rate this one a 3 out of 10 to the upside. It's possible, but current market, it's plausible, but it's like, I don't like it. So, if you get a reversal, yes, boom, get it up. But after that, yeah. Target 81. Okay, cool. You're good on that? Is that a good one for you? Hello, Asad Ali. Yeah, SPV Brothers. Was that a good analysis for you, or are you like, I don't know. So if you try to buy either Central, M2, either one of these areas, okay, that's a good one. You're out. Then you did not want to see this. So right now you have to reduce your risk, reduce your ambitions, all that, until it makes a higher high here. Then you can you fooling me. You're teasing me. Hello, Michael. Michelle. Hello. Any possibility for gold to test 1900s on Monday, Tuesday before dropping? I will look into that soon. USD try. I will not do Turkish lira for the basic reason I am not able to trade it because everyone is one-sided. Nobody's providing liquidity to the Turkish lira because lira is falling. And there is nothing good about Turkish lira at the moment. So there's nobody to buy it. That is why we can't trade Turkish lira. But technically, we can look at it as a traders at, you know, for technical analysis purposes. Cool. But other than that, it is what it is. That is why this one will continue to rise forever until Erdogan figures out how he can manage his central banking policy and stuff. And I think he fired him or something, the central bank guy. But yeah, other than that, I don't know. This is just doing whatever it's doing. So right now it's just institutional money being able to, as far as I know, I haven't heard about anyone else giving retail traders liquidity to trade your Turkish lira. So the only way to do this is to buy Turkish lira, no, buy USD try. But yeah, cool. So can you analyze New Zealand CAD bearish? As you might notice now, there's somebody who is YouTube members. Those get my first attention. I think it goes to like $5 a month. Do I see those money? Google takes like 40% of it. But it's my way of giving you guys priority. It costs you $5. I don't know. How much is $5? Is that a coffee? 2 coffees. 1 coffee. A coffee in Norway at least. A coffee in Norway is 37 kroner, I think it is. So 37 kroner divided by 8.5, you do the math. Okay, bearish. Buy, sell. Wait for the break. And then pull back. Monthly, sell. Yeah, okay, so we are down there. Should you only be looking for sells up here though? Ugh, this is difficult follow-up trades. Okay, yeah, cool. 87. Down to 86, or monthly was 85.80. So either 86 or 85. 80. And sells around 87-ish. Do I like it? No, not really. I would rather you wait for a sell up here at 87.60 or 50, but if you get that, that is a new higher high. And range and everything is dead. So you can hope for it to come up to 87. And if it goes higher than 50 pips on that one, you're dead. And it's dead. So yeah, I guess that's aggressive. That's the only way you can trend trade it. So yeah, okay. So it's okay. I don't like it, but it is what it is. Oh, do you guys hear the music? So, oh, you guys haven't told me to turn down the music. Like, did you guys even hear me? Yeah, hello everyone. Okay, so there's a lot of gold requests. So if you're a YouTube member, I will go through that firstly, but right now there's other YouTube member that is requesting. So, Michael, are you happy with that? I would rather you to be sell here, and then leave it alone and just hope for it to go down to the target. That would actually be a way better analysis, to be honest. I think that's way better to say that, but if you have to, say 87. If you have to, but I would probably leave it alone. I just need to think twice about things before I say things, I guess. Can it fall? Yes, it can fall. Can it rise? Yeah, as to anything. But can you break and retest this? I think that's too low to break and retest this one. So if you don't get it, don't take it. And are we early? No, we're not early. So if this falls and comes back up here, I don't think it will. So yeah, you can YOLO it here. Happy. Cool. You're welcome. Now, you gold people. We've been here for 30 minutes now. Okay. So you gold people, you need to stick here until the end if I do gold for you now. Okay. Or if I do, or maybe I can do another one. I can put you in the hostage mode. When I get a new subscriber, well, I would do gold. Okay, one new subscriber. Because there's something I want to do before. That's all. What was it? Yeah, I want to do Euro first. Okay, I can do Euro first. I need to do Euro first. Okay, so I'm happy. So, or you guys, you can bribe Michel or Ahmad or Spy Brothers to make me do gold. So you can be kind to them and say, hey brother, please make him do gold, then I will do gold. But currently Ahmad asks if there's any buy opportunities for USD. I think that no, I don't think so. The rising dollar isn't. It's just that it's less weak. It's not bullish. Okay, but if you want to sell sell euro, you probably can take it up from like 21.50, I guess, and have fun with that. Yeah. From 21.50 area or 21.40-50 area, you could. Everything is possible, and then you can hope for a new low and then pick it up next week. Yeah, that's viable. But I just think the dollar currently is less bearish, not bullish. There's a large difference there. If this was truly bearish, Ahmad, okay, we would be here. And I mean, if we are bearish, we fall. And I mean, fall. Right? We fall. We fall. That's what you see when you're looking for falling. This is just another leg to the upside. Okay? Nobody's begging Michael to say to buy gold. Okay, interesting people. You guys are interesting today. It takes you one sentence only. Tell him he's handsome. Just giving you good ideas. Like you guys need to be more. You guys need to be more brilliant. Like goes to those who have power and make them work for you. So for euro, I hope for a double bottom, higher high, higher low on the 1 hour time frame. Am I going to buy this one? Maybe. And hopefully the best. I think we're going to go up something. Maybe come back down to the same level or a bit lower on Monday. So plan A is straight up. Plan B is next week. And I also think that we are going to be a range this week. So yeah, cool. Great. Current support is at 121. Okay, 121. Does that make a difference for you? Yes, it should make a difference for you. It's a critical level. For the week, it was the S1. Cool. No target. For the month, it was the buy price, I believe it was. So, it's a bit lower than that. Yeah, cool. So, it's still tilted to the upside. But if it falls, then cool. Then it's kind of against what technical bearishness we have done so far. Then that will be against what I believe is going to happen next. Because this one is not greatly fold. Now, if we go to the sentiment supports for euro, just to check out how that is going. 51.41, very range bound. So that also agrees upon the current technical analysis is that we are not moving much. Okay, so on Friday, I think it was, maybe Friday, I said Probably buy here. Did it go? Yeah, it did well. And then came back down to entry. Cool. It was a fun ride. That was the buy price for the month. Are we gonna go lower? Are we gonna go higher? I don't know. Currently, we are at support. Great. Can this fall further? Absolutely. Okay. So if you are sweating bullets over where price is right now, I am wondering, why did you take profit? Why did you take your loss? Why didn't you take your loss? Why are you not obeying the rules of sound trading? You're becoming an expert. You're not a gambler. Experts, you know what they do? They get out when they are wrong. And if you're still in trades that bad entries or whatever, you should have gotten out a long time ago. Okay. Here, you know, support was trend trading. Higher high, higher low. If it breaks lower than the previous low, like here, you just get out. Easy. Wait for it to make a higher high again. That's the easiest cure for not going into drawdowns on bearish trends. Can this one fall further? Yes, it can. I wanted to go higher. I wanted to do that. So, this week is the first week. I hope that this is the low, and we're just going to continue higher. Then we're going to 2000 this week. Is there any guarantee? No, there's absolutely no guarantee. Okay? But, if you're thinking of buying right now or sell it, this is not a sellable market, by the way, people. This is maybe a double top. Maybe a double top. And if you're going to sell it, it has to break 1860 to sell it again. So if you're thinking of hedging it and you're like, yes, I am in so much loss, I am in so much pain, I'm wondering, can I sell it? Why are you selling a low? In the book of trading, this is where you buy. 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 And this is where you take loss. There is nothing in this book of trading that tells you should sell, or you could have sold up here, by the way, but it will be extremely aggressive. Beyond aggressiveness. So, if gold is supposed to turn around, heading lower, we need to break this low to hedge. But I don't hedge it. I don't want to hedge. I don't want to hedge. I hate hedging. It is the most, unless you are hedging for commercial purposes, like your orders to make sure that you're getting the money you need. Hedging and trading Forex when you're supposed to get money for, gain money for the change in price is absolutely counterintuitive. Oh, we went down again. Okay. So, no gold trades on you today. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Now, so current gold market is range bound. You need to have bells here and here. And until then, you need to sit on your hands. Don't do anything stupid. By the way, it's only my personal opinion, not financial advice. Not only for educational purposes and all that thing. So, is this one raised to the upside? Yes, it's raised to the upside. I just don't know which day it's going to be. Okay? All good on that? Good. Break above 1920 and reverse back down to 1820, which is a change in trend. Yes, I believe you on that. That is a change in trend because that's the break of 1860, which I said is the current floor. What else on gold? In gold, I have always witnessed a break in trend, then a false breakout to the change. Okay, interesting, fair enough. I don't know if this is a false breakout, but that's at least, something. So, currently we have gone up. We're going sideways. And then we're hoping for this one. Cool, cool, cool. Boom, boom. Great. What else, people? What's the next Where do we go next? Silver. Silver, on the other hand, ladies and gentlemen, is way more range bound. And I think I've said wait for the break. I haven't said it. I'm going to say it now. You can either buy here or wait for the break. You can also wait for a price to come back down here again, but you're like, nah, I don't know if I like it. So we need to break above 28 something, 28 to 30, 30 something, so that we can continue higher. This can range, by the way, until it picks up in July. So if you're going to buy here today, don't make it a lot. Don't make it an account. And for the love of God, have enough power to buy here. Yeah. G number was okay for the COT reports, but look out for FOMC. So FOMC is going to move the market or run the market this week. Probably range bound, probably nothing much, probably not a lot of volatility. If there is a change in policy, you are going to see it on the chart. If there's no change in policy, you're probably not going to see it in the chart. So it all depends, what are they going to say? I hope they say nothing new. So we're just going to go whatever we've been doing. Not tapering, saying that inflation is still transitionary, and all those old things that you've always been saying. And then we can go dollar bearish. Okay, cool. Now, GU, for those who love GU, get all the GU lovers out there. This is a range. This is how a range looks like, with some kind of fake out, some kind of breakouts, and this is probably going to break to the lower side before going up. Absolutely, I believe that's true. Now, where are you going to be? Are you going to be this one catching the bottom, or are you catching the pullback? Probably you can do both. That's totally up to you. Somebody subscribed. 10,000. Yeah, I really love that. Armstrong, Cerny Armstrong just subscribed. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm sighing on my own performance this year. It hasn't been great. It's not like I've lost the whole account or anything, because I do have risk management, but it hasn't been positive. It hasn't been great. I've had some winners, you know, EURUSD 400 pips and all those things, but I've just been on the wrong side. That's totally down to me, my fault, all those things. So, yeah. So, we're coming into summer. I'm just going to say one thing. M2. For those who understand that, this is the free advice for free. You haven't paid me just to say that. But M2 is the clue for June and July. And yeah, let's see how it goes. And unless nuclear war, yeah. I would love to have some Kim Jong-un rockets. I would love that. I would love some Kim Jong-un. Wow! 96. Wow. Okay. You can do gold now. Cool, we can do gold. So yeah. Either you can range trade it by buying at around 141, give or take. That's your case. Or you can buy it around 142.5 somewhere. And you can risk it. Okay? All depends what is your preferred method of trading. I don't like range bounds. That's not how I trade. That is not my main my main motto, my main driver, my main where I get my profits from. So yeah, as you saw last year on pound, it came all the way up to target, all the way back down again before it rose in July. So maybe that's what we're going to do this year too. You just have to wait for July to open up. That might actually be true, that July is actually going to be the kicker. So maybe we now have 2 or 3 weeks where we don't do anything at all. Who knows? Bread and butter, yeah. Yeah. So, Anton, you are onto it. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So, don't risk a lot of money. Don't expect trends to be... Don't expect trends to last. Don't expect weekly trades to work out for you. But probably day trading, London Open, 10, 20, 50 pips. Expect more 100% reversal of your current trade. Okay? So if you're up 100 pips or 50 pips or 70 pips or whatever it is, you kind of have to expect it to come back down again. Cool? Yeah, cool. So, I want this one to go higher. Maybe in July, maybe this week, hopefully this week, and then take it higher. Cool. Pound yen, same situation. Buy around 154.50, give or take around here. Yeah, I'm not going to give you a lot on this one though. I've done this a lot now. Noops. Double bottom, higher high, higher low. Kind of higher high. Buy support. This is support. Around 154.50. If it goes lower, then take a stop loss down here. Or down here a bit, I guess. And you're good to go higher. Then yeah, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Then wait for a new higher high, higher low. USD CAD was asked for. Probably the most bullish dollar pair at the moment. Seems to have turned around a bit at around 120. Interesting. Scary. Maybe we just have to wait for July for it to fall again. Maybe. Certainly Armstrong asks, how about Euroswiss? We can do Euroswiss. So currently at the moment, I'm not going to trade this one. Just going to wait it out. Wait it out. Wait it out. So if I'm giving you any guys value today, please hit that like button. Okay. Please hit the like button. You know where the like button is if I've given you value, right? Good on you. So YouTube and we all see that you like this. So I'm not just talking to myself, right? That's great. Pound, yen, euro, GU, New Zealand yen, gold, USD Tri, gold, New Zealand CAD, Euro CAD. We can do Euro, Swissy, Euro CAD. Euro Swissy, woohoo! Wow! I did not expect that one to happen. Okie dokie. That's a kicker. That's kicking. That's alive and kicking. All right. Great. Okay. So, first of all, I'm not saying you should have, but that's what happened. Sell, buy, sellers took off, sold it again, and now they're way below S2. Okay? Prashant, thank you very much for the subscription. Boom. Okay. You know how when trades just goes in a direction, okay? Is it ever going to come back is it ever going to come back to the resistance though? Resistance at around 108, 109. Is it ever going to back down there? You can hope for it. Are you going to sell it? Or are you going to take it up? Major support level. Major support level. Major resistance level. Okay. So, if you are a seller only if you're a seller, you can sell it for 109. But if you don't get it, don't take it. If you are a buyer, you need to double bottom, higher a high above 109.12 and then higher. Okay. So if you're a buyer, you need to have a full reversal on this one. If you're a seller, you can sell it from 109. I think that's the only thing I can say. Chief! Yeah, you're laid low. A EuroCAD. I don't know. Question mark. It's a range. Yeah, I was live on YouTube, bro. I don't know. What about you, though? But you need to check your calendar. And then I had to go make dinner. I had pasta bolognese. You know? Use this with say. Did you guys notice I took away my period points from the Weekly Forex Forecast, people? Did you guys see that? We need to break 108.50, by the way, before selling this one, or setting it up at 109.50. So either here or here, depending. Hey, Dunkirky. I was watching your Weekly Forex Forecast, bro. Yeah, cool. Any questions? 4,000! 4,000! Yeah! Yeah! Boom! Yeah! That's how we do it, people! We just hit 4,000! 4,000! Who wants $100? Wow, on the live, thank you. Mwah. Actually, I don't know why I feel like it's so awesome, but we are still small, you know, but you know, we're still growing. I want us to grow so I can help more people out. That's my mission. I want to help out people. So if you want $100, you can send me an email. Yeah, now I feel like I've done what I wanted to do. Okay, Hardik, I know you're going through something, so I will talk about your plans right now. Okay, so US oil is currently at take profit for the month. Does that affect your trading plan? Maybe, maybe not. Coming into this is support at 17. Probably want to look into that. Okay. 70 area, yeah. And going up to M4 at around 72.38. Okay. And Tang Huang just subscribed, bro. Thank you very much. Yes. Yes, mate. Yes, you are. Yes, mate. I need a year free mentorship. Yeah, you're trying to lurk a free mentorship out of me for like a month now. I don't know why, bro. Is that because your payment is up for in like 15 days? Is that why? Raya Abara just subscribed. Thank you very much. Happy to have you on board. It is, bro. I don't know if you noticed, but it is up in a couple of days. So you need to make a move. Are you going to stay with me? Or are you just going to hug me? I need a hug, bro. Can you give me a hug? I need to cry. Okay. Yeah. So that's okay plan. We're still bullish. All okay. So where does the stop loss go? 69 maybe? That's also where I also want, like, so aggressive is 70. But if we can get it down to like 65 area or 67, that would be so much better. So, yeah. Cool. A, B, C. Aww. Look at that, bro. Aww. This is so wholesome content, people. Maybe just for me though, but yeah. 65. Until you're 65? Or what? Does it move? No, it doesn't move. Cool. Yeah, also 65. Yeah, also it's not like it's bad. It's not like it's because, bro, this is the monthly take profit, okay? So if we fall hard, come back up again, and then start redoing and buy again, 65 would be a good price. I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but you have to have a plan for it, right? And if I now say in the future, I don't do so, and if you only risk little here because it's a high price and you don't take your whole account here, bro, you just not noticed. And then if it goes lower, you take it back up again, you know, bro? Yeah, I know. I'm not saying it's going to, but I'm saying what if it does, you know? What if it has a correction? It can correct, by the way. But once oil goes in the direction you want, it goes. Right? You see how last year? Falls 1st of July. Falls 1st of August, remember? Falling 1st of August, bro. Just telling you. Yeah, you have Ultramar. I have Ultramar too. Pound, was it pound yen, bro? I have to check. So oil currently is a bit of a stretch, bro, but it's okay, it goes, but yeah, pound yen. Yeah, pound yen is cool. 154. 154.42. Yeah, cool. So somewhere in this area here. It's okay. So 140.5, 154.5. So if it goes a bit lower, you can take it up. Yeah. FOMC, CPI. Little impacts. So far this week is retail sales on Tuesday. Not really important, but you know, fair enough. I don't think it's going to move dollar at all. An employment change in pound. I don't think it's going to change anything. RBA meeting minutes to read into, and their forecast for the future. Pound CPI, CAD CPI, Euro CPI, SNB monetary policy, Norway monetary policy, America monetary policy, and retail side of Britain. So where were you guys now? So CAD, Euro, Pound CPI, USD, NOK, SNB interest rates. But it's coming in towards summer. It's supposed to have low impact. Somewhat not supposed to move the market much. I think the Euro UK tension might affect EU and pound as well. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Also, I don't know. I think it's like sometimes it's just politics. Like I don't feel it. I don't see it. I don't see the market taking a lot of attention to it. Like the market is still very, very, very reasonable within Euro. It's less than I wanted, by the way. I really wanted to be up here and then down. Everything is cool. But this fall here is not ecstatic. It's not wow, look at that fall. I didn't want it to fall, but it fell. And the fall is not Brexit. It's not because if Brexit was a thing though, then pound would fall like that, right? It will just fall off the chart. All right. Thank you very much. Absolutely beautiful people. Where are we now? What are we doing now? I think I'm gonna take and relax a bit, gather my thoughts, and have one more thing for heartache. Buying oil at current price and current moment at 70 is high, risky. You need to have stop loss at around 69 at least. But I think it's high. I think it should come lower. That's just my wishful thinking. Technically still bullish. It's supposed to be the end of the uptrend. Who am I to know? You might have another pips move up because of the CPI number coming out. Okay? So, if you want to take like a 6 out of 10 trade, okay, cool. Be safe. Let's go to war. Have a good day. And don't lose pips. Don't lose money.